Dane Shields with DS Diving Service here. I am at the vessel Hoologan. Right now, I have the customer supplied 1 1/4 inch shaft zinc that measures out at just a little under 2.5 inches. So that means that's how much clearance we have to have in order to fit this zinc on. I'm going to go ahead and bring these zincs down first to get it installed. If not, I do have a 1 1/4, which is what we've been putting on this every time, because I believe we haven't been able to get this to fit, not one single time. So let me turn on the light. Let me grab both parts. Let me grab my tool. Let's check her out. This one clearly does not fit. Let's just make damn sure we know that we're looking at Hoologan. I'm going to check the cleanliness of the boat, maybe touch it up if it needs, and I am going to put your collar zinc on that does fit. So this will be the video from now on. Please, in the future, buy collar zincs for Hoologan and shaft zincs for Miss McKenna. All right. Let's check it out. I think we're going to go ahead and swim over to Miss McKenna real quick. Yep. There's Miss McKenna. The guy said that the zinc did fit on Miss McKenna, so let's go look at that zinc. Alright, zinc did fit on Miss McKenna. So I'm venturing to say that both of those shafts are relatively short. I'm going to go ahead and measure them both real quick with the calipers. They both look like they were about the same size and shortness of shaft. I don't know if maybe you had a third vessel at one time in here with a longer shaft. Let's measure. When we measure the shaft space, that is what we have, which is a little less than 2 inches. There's no way that 2.5 inch zinc is going to fit in that spot. Let me get your correct zinc on.